Just take the whole thing, bud.
Yeah, just pick it up.
Keep going.
It's a lot of
How many
$5.
$5?
Why is there still more?
We'll keep going. Follow the trail.
There is.
Let's see where it leads.
My trail leads to the bathroom, okay?
Can you guys help me?
Yeah,
Well,
baby.
here, let me get some lights on for you too. So
Okay.
come on. Are you recording video of this?
Yes, I am. I just heard everything you said.
The bathroom?
Yep.
You get it your way.
Back here.
Pull it. There you go. No, 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 no.
You
Pull it to get it
follow.
out from underneath the couch.
Keep following.
Stand up.
Man, that's a lot of dollars.
Hand it to Nana.
That's a lot.
No, no, don't pull, don't pull.
You
Go,
keep- you
go.
You need to walk to it.
Pull to the other end of it down.
Oh, good idea.
Oh, I need to get the balloons out of the trunk.
Yeah.
I'll get him.
Okay, now hold all the money in your hands like this
Why?
so Mommy can get a picture.